Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's discuss about Cognizant genc interview experience. Basically, my friend has attended the Cognizant genc interview. So, what was the questions were asked? How was the interview? Let's discuss it right now. So, basically, he had done a course on Java full stack. So, depending upon the course, he had done a project on Spring Boot and React JS. So, this was the course structure and the project he had done. So in the resume point of view, the interviewer asked only the resume point of view questions. So the first they asked is oops concepts. So he had done a course on Java full stack, so he explained the oops concepts in Java. So depending upon the oops concepts, he explained approximately about 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes he had explained it. The next point is he explained exceptional handling. So exception handling like compile time exception, runtime exception. So these were the exception handling questions. So whereas coming to Java and questions related to constructor chaining, why constructors are public. So like these questions were being asked. So one of the question related to OOPS is why Java is object oriented programming was the main question totally it was being asked by the interviewer. So he has the answer that basically Java deals with classes and classes and objects, so Java is object oriented. Then Java 8 features, basically features like lambda expression, functional interface, stream API, optional, certain Java features, 5 to 6 Java features were been asked. Then features of Java. Using Java, what are the features we can encourage to get in enterprise level editions? So next coming to the projects. Project was being developed in, as I said, in React JS and backend Spring Boot. So in React JS, he has been asked why did you use React JS? So we answered that React JS is helpful for single page applications. So I have been used React JS. And to fetch API from backend data, he used Axios. So there were questions like what is props, states, hooks basically. These were the questions in React JS. And coming to Spring Boot, certain annotations were being asked like at the rate component, at the rate validation, and the next is how to handle exceptions in Spring Boot. Exceptional handling in Spring Boot basically. Spring Boot. Difference between Spring and Boot. Spring Framework and Spring Boot basically. So these were the questions regarding to Spring Boot. So next he had done a project on machine learning. Basically it was an prediction based projects. So they were asking about how much accuracy did your project has been gained certainly, and what were the internships he had done in his academics were certain questions. What was the role in your internship? What was the projects role, and what is the contribution towards your internship project? So if you want detailed interview package related projects, what are the project questions that may ask in the interviews, and what are the project contribution that a student should provide to the project? Certain related questions regarding to interview, just comment it out. I will make a list of video. It will be a detailed oriented towards the interview is. So next comes into picture is are you ready to relocate, and are you ready to work in rotational shifts, and are you ready to work in other roles except developer, any roles you can work with it. And the next questions was been asked is where are you from, and family related questions. These were certain questions, and HR questions like are you satisfied with your salary package. Next was long term and short term goals. These were some interview questions had been faced in the Cognizant genc interview. So if you want any other interview related experience videos, just comment it out. I will make a set of videos related to it and I will upload it. Thank you guys. Just subscribe the channel, support the channel, like and share. Thank you.